My turn, Trav.
Well, buddy, still a little bit too much in one piece. I think we might try again. There we go, that's nice. Hey buddy, we've decided to come and do some shopping. Don't know really what we're going to need to get some equipment of some sort. I don't know what we can find. Hang on, there's an idea.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Oh, we found our next tech repair for your phone. I think we should do it now. Be good as gold when it's all done. Promise, work like a dream. Though I think a few bits are still missing. I don't think we can find them in the grass. Alright. We better lock this bad boy down. Now Clive and I are still running bets as to what's going to destroy first, the blender or the phone. But either way, it's going to be good. Alright. Safety first. Now let's flip the switch. Oh, hang on. I think we might have to turn it on to full power. Ready? Not as quick as a commercial blender. Yeah, we can fix that. It'll be all good. Alrighty, here we are again. We've come across a few little problems, like just a couple little scorch marks here on the board, so I think we're going to have to treat this one again, and this piece isn't looking too good either, so we'll just have to treat that one again and see how we go. Okay. You ready? Yeah, I think we'll go on 4 again. Go for it.
in my sea of loathing, broken your serpentine hand. Will you give it to me? It seems what's left of my human side is slowly changing in me. Will you give it to me? Looking at my own reflection, when suddenly it changes, violently it changes.
Wow, that blender just will not die. Well, I could be wrong about the blender not dying. Let's have a look in here. Only a couple of holes. It'll be good. I bet you I'll take this back under warranty.
Bet you don't.
Wow. Alrighty. Yeah, I still think I can fix it.
It's got that lovely aroma.
There we go. It even smells good. Now I think that's done. I think that's pretty much all set. I think we're right to send that one back. Yeah, only a couple of holes. It's all good.
I'm rolling out, she'll be laughing.